So today we're doing a little walkthrough of the new building. This is definitely a very large upgrade. We're in 36,000 square feet right now. Right now we're really cramped on space. We need more equipment. And this place is 112,000 square foot. And there's another, I think, 6 or 8 feet of headroom. We've got room on the property to expand another 55 or 65,000 square foot to the north, so this is definitely a long-term home for WCFab. This is going to be the fabrication and CNC shops in this whole main centralized part of the building here. Yep, it's going to be a fully climate-controlled building. You know, it gets pretty hot here in Illinois. Pretty humid in the summer. It's gonna be a lot nicer work environment, but it's also gonna help us with the powder coat process, because any humidity creates corrosion, whether it's a steel or even on aluminum parts. So it's gonna help tremendously in the finishing process of our powder coat department and our machine shop too. It's gonna help our machine shop out tremendously also. Right off of the clean room in the main corridor from the locker room in the cafeteria, this is all gonna be our mechanic shop going down here about 150 foot from this line. We got a very large showroom. We're going to have 5 or 6 different display cases of our products we offer, and it's actually big enough to get like a razor or a Talon in here, so we'll be able to have some of the side-by-side equipment in here on display. So this here is our main office space, cubicles for sales and everything, and then we've got a bunch of private offices here. We've got a whole bunch of windows here. This is a southern exposure. So we're gonna have a lot of great natural light into the office space. It's gonna be very, very nice compared to what we're in now.
Even when I first moved into my first shop, and we outgrew that one the first year or two, and every time we went to move in years past, we didn't have the time or we didn't have the funds to build what we wanted, so we took advantage of what was on the market, moved into a building, made use of it. Every building we've moved into up until now we thought was big enough, and it just hasn't been that way. So we kind of laid this place out so that every division of the shop has room to expand, so that no part of the company internally is really bottlenecked. We started out with a plan to build a 75,000 square foot shop, which would have been about twice the size of our current building, and then it just kept escalating and escalating, and we ended up here with 112,000. We finally pulled the plug at that point and said, that's it, that's enough, we're not going any bigger.
Our contractor yelled at us.
Yeah, our contractor told us to stop adding bays to it. We've got a lot of new equipment coming in we're excited about, bringing a lot more processes in-house, going at the same aspect we always have with keeping quality control and lead times more controllable by doing it ourselves. A lot to come. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll have more updates as the project keeps moving along.